The toolbox is done besides I gotta get wheels and paint it. But we can't do that today because it's windy. So we will get wheels.
Hinged lid.
Here it is, done. Now you may be asking, why do you need another toolbox? Well, because I have a lot of tools and this toolbox that I got for Christmas is practically full. So, and I know I will be requiring more tools and need another toolbox, so that's why I built that. Better to have one than not have one. Because the toolbox is finally done. Besides paint, now I have more room to put junk. Tools and junk.